Hi guys, so on my Honey Eats channel, it will be more than food. From time to time, I do eat cornstarch, so make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know whether you want to see more videos of me eating cornstarch. I do have videos on another page, and it's getting a lot of comments and people requesting more, so I figured why not make the Honey Eats channel everything that I eat. So today we have Argo, which is my favorite one. Usually this one or the cream. This is a spoon.
What are you doing? Dad,
First, second spoon.